Hi, I'm Jetna Patnaik. I'm 33-year-old and I work for a digital marketing firm in Hyderabad. I was detected with endometriosis in April 2019. I think trouble started a few months earlier. I can't pinpoint when it all began, the severe cramps and heavy flow. But it reached a point in April when I was not able to get out of bed. I had work and I was not able to concentrate on my work. I was not able to sit with heating pads and everything. I was just lying on bed and not able to get out. Prior to that, I think in around 2018 November or December, the weight it gradually increased. I think, or maybe before that, I cannot pinpoint, as I've said. Severe cramps and everything. I realized that I have to go to a doctor, but prior to that, the doctor asked me to go for an ultrasound. I went to ultrasound clinic nearest to my place, where the technician told me that my condition is very serious and I may have to remove the uterus or fallopian tubes, and he told me a bunch of things which were very scary. And when he saw, I thought maybe like he's a technician, so maybe I should consult with a doctor before deciding on the future course of action. When he saw that the whatever tricks you were playing, it's not working on me, he roped in my mom and told her, and she got very scared and she started crying. We had not heard of endometriosis before that, and we did not know what was happening, so everything was pretty scary for us. The gynecologist that I went to, she's a pretty established and experienced gynecologist. She had treated my mom with she had some issues with menopause, so the gynecologist had helped her with that. I had consulted back in 2010 or 11 when I was still in college. I had a very small cyst in my left ovary, and she had treated me with that, so she was a trusted person. So when she saw the reports and everything, the first thing she said that you have endometriosis, but it's treatable and there is nothing to worry. So whatever worry and tension that the technician had given to us, this is going to happen, you have to operate and you have to remove the uterus and this and that, she just she helped her understand what they sees and how it's going to be treated, the course of action. And she told me that it will take some time, and I'll have to be patient with it and follow the diet and work out and everything. So she helped us understand the whole thing and removed whatever fear that was in our minds. Regarding the financial support, I know that there are very few selective insurance companies that provide financial support. I think my family was very supportive in my journey of endometriosis, but then again, they did not know. So the best thing that my mom could say that maybe the cervix is very small and the pain will reduce eventually, is just a few months thing. She was not aware of the whole thing. She just thought that having cramps or heavy blood flow was a normal thing, and it will go up in a few months, or once you get married and have a baby, it will get better. So I don't really blame her, but there is just lack of knowledge and awareness regarding menstrual issues in general, not just with endometriosis. Severe cramps, heavy flow are not normal. I would advise to any young listener, if you notice that your flow is increasing or you're having heavy cramps, irregular periods, please consult a gynecologist. There is nothing wrong in taking medical help when you need it.